Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you step by step how to make a group chat on iPhone. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, go to messages and then tap this icon. And now guys, you can add a multiple person here, for example. Also, you can add numbers. For example, if I want to send to this person, perfect. And now guys, you can send this message once for a multiple person. So that's how you can make a group chat on iPhone. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.